Good morning guys, how are we all doing? So Dan from Trading with Dan here. This is our Bitcoin morning update. So we will go straight over to those charts. So yeah, you can see the 4 hour, we kind of dropped out of that trend line, back tested it and rejected from it and got caught by this support, which this needs to remain support really to keep guiding us up. What I will do now, we'll just change this trend line. I'll move this line, but basically we'll just add this new trend line, which is probably a bit more important for us now. So this looks like it may be the one that we are potentially going to be respecting, providing we can obviously hold this level of support here, and bounce off this level, take out this top. So yeah, we've got our work cut out for us today for Bitcoin. Yesterday our job was to get above 9,200 and hold up there. Today our job is to hold above 9,200 and try and push over 9,300. So let's take it a day at a time, Bitcoin, and yeah, let's see if we can get back up to 9,700, 800 and beyond. So yeah, 4 hour Stokes also starting to turn over a little bit. So maybe maybe we will see a little bit of downside. Maybe we'll see a few weeks below this level, but if we can hold this level whilst the Stokes are going down, they can basically reset and then we can get more impetus to the upside. Obviously 12 hour Stokes looking really good, potentially coming up on this trend line though, well, probably in a day or so, so we've got to watch out for that, but yeah, generally at the moment though they're looking good. So yeah, it's a case of holding this 9,200 level, making our way to the top of this channel and this resistance here, and then basically seeing what Bitcoin can do when we get there. Let's go over to the daily again. Let's look at the daily Stokes. Yeah, daily Stokes are turned over now. So we need, if these can get a move on to the upside, then yeah, I think we will be at least testing this 9,400, 9,500. I think that has to be a realistic target at the moment. But yeah, I mean, it's all predicated on holding this 9,200. I mean, we can trade some. We can obviously wick below it. As we know, Bitcoin likes its wicks. But as long as you're returning back above and closing the higher term time frames above this level, above this support, well, resistance straight support, whether we're above or below it, as long as we're above it, then we can obviously keep our march on upwards. Yeah, I mean, this could also obviously be drawn as an ascending channel, which are inherently bearish more often than they're bullish, but obviously we're in a larger time frame descending channel, so make of that what you will. But yeah, I mean, if we can get back up to 9,400, maybe we can then get supported by this trend line, or just this region in general. Hopefully we don't have to come all the way back and back test 9,200, but yeah, if we can get up here, get above here, then well, it will be at a decisive point. Yeah, I mean, I've been saying the past couple of days that this is my most important level for Bitcoin. This is the level that the bears are gonna defend. This is the level that the bears may just be letting this price action drift up to get here before they step in, and then it's a case of, can the bulls step in harder and get us moving up. So over to the stock markets. I had Tesla on, but yeah, stock markets in general, looking like another update today, looking pretty strong on the futures. There was your 4 hour 9, and we had a 12 hour. Do we have something coming up? No, it was just that 4 hour 9, which we were a bit weak off the back of, but then obviously have now bust through that, and we are basically at pretty much the 786. So regaining this 786 for me, I think, is pretty important for Bitcoin. Sorry, well, it is pretty important for Bitcoin because it will give the stock market a lot of upwards continuation bias, which will be good for Bitcoin. So this is kind of what I'm keeping an eye on for the moment. I think we are full on in currency devaluation, crack up boom, buy things, not hold cash scenario. So yeah, fingers crossed that starts the Bitcoin bull run. But yeah, that's it this morning. Quick video. So thanks for listening, guys. Remember, it's not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Hit that like button as well, please, if you wouldn't mind. I don't ever really ask. I just forget to ask, and I assume people will hit like if they want to hit like. But yeah, hit the like button. And thanks for listening, guys, and I'll speak to you later.